So we come to our next topic, object having more than one type of motion. Here is given the case of earth. The earth moves around the sun, so it has circular motion. The earth repeats its motion around the sun after regular interval of time, so it is periodic motion. So before starting our topic, I had said that in this we have to read about more than one motion. So in case of earth, there is two types of motion. First, if I am going to tell you, then it is circular motion, and next I am going to tell you, then it is periodic motion. And the earth rotates on its axis, so it has rotational motion. So this is very most important for you, that the case of earth has three types of motion: circular, periodic and rotational. Okay, we come to our second topic, the case of merry-go-round. If you consider merry-go-round as a whole, then it shows rotational motion because it turns on an axle. So first we see that it shows rotational motion, but outer part of the merry-go-round on which the children shows circular motion. It means there is a circular motion also. So it has two type of motion same time, rotational motion and circular motion. Okay, so this is an example of rotational motion and circular motion. I am going to show you the case of, so this is the figure of a child sitting on merry-go-round exhibits circular motion, given on your book on page number 148. From here you can consider the example of this object having more than one type of motion. We came to our next topic, the case of bicycle. Suppose a bicycle is moving on a straight road, the wheel of a bicycle rotating on its axle and also having moving forward in a straight line path. So a bicycle moving on a straight road has shown two types of motion. The two type of motion, first is rotational motion and second is rectilinear motion. Okay, so there is two type of motion in case of bicycle, rotational motion and rectilinear motion. The case of ball, if a ball is moving on a ground, then it also exhibit more than one motion, that is rotational motion and rectilinear motion. देखिए, when a ball is moving on the ground, it is rotating as well as moving forward on the ground. So if it is rotating and moving forward, then it is taking two types of motion, rotational motion as well as rectilinear motion. Okay, next, the case of sewing machine. So this also exhibit more than two type of motion, the case of sewing machine. Okay, so we have to read our next topic, the story of transport, given on your book in page number 151. To carry people and goods from one place to another place is called transport. What is the meaning of transport? First, I am going to explain you about meaning of transport. Transport is a medium through which we carry our burdens from one place to another place with the help of animals, people or by any other mode. Here you can see that in this figure, this man is carrying this bag on his back side. So this is also a mode of transport. This horse is carrying this man on its back. This is also a mode of transport. This is also a mode of transport, and this man is carrying with the help of boat some object in this ship. This is also a mode of transport. There are some figures in your book which you can see that these all figures is a mode of transport. Okay, so if we are on ground, then we use these types of mode of transport which is based on wheel. Okay, this train is also based on wheel, this cart is also based on wheel. So the wheels of these instruments make our burden easy to carry from one place to another place. In case of water, we use ships to carry our burden or objects from one place to another place. Okay, this ship is based on steam engine. Okay, based on steam engine, which when started, then this ship start moving in a water. There are some also given in your book modes of transport based on petrol and diesel. So here is given in your book that the invention of petrol engine and diesel engine led to development of these modes of transport. This truck, this bus, this scooter, this car, this all are based on mode of transport which is based on petrol and diesel. Okay. Aeroplane provides very fast mode of transport by air. So in air, if we tell that what is a mode of transport in case of air, then we may discuss that aeroplane is a mode of transport which is provide us very good for moving in air or for transport system in air. Okay, so we have to read our next topic, distance. I will give you a video of this topic after completing these chapters.